If you are watching this video and you're yet to join my free Telegram channel, then you are missing out. To join, go to the description to this video, join the link in front of the Telegram channel and enjoy my daily signals. I have been making consistent profit since I mastered supply and demand. Hey guys, if you are watching for the first time, my name is ABC, aka SKIL Forex, and in this video I will show you how to trade supply and demand, how to find it, when to trade it, and when to take profit. To trade the demand zone, now we need to look for at least 3 consecutive buying candlestick with a very high momentum. Spot a buying momentum in the market. Once you spot a buying momentum in the market, then you're going to go to the beginning of that momentum. I mean the beginning of this 3 momentum. Now I'm going to go to the beginning of the momentum, then I'm going to pick out the high and the low of the last bearish momentum. So I'm talking about this red candlestick here, which is the bearish momentum in this case. Now I'm going to pick out the high and the low of this bearish momentum, then I draw the rectangle across it out like this. Then after drawing this rectangle, now I wait for the pullback of the market back inside my demand zone. This is my demand zone. Now once I have the pullback of the market back inside my demand zone, then I wait for price action. So I wait for price reaction around my demand zone, and once I get that reversal, then I can start buying to the last then I will start buying to the beginning. I'll buy to the beginning of the reversal. But mind you now, then you place your stop loss. You place your stop loss a little bit below your demand zone. But mind you, here in this case now, we have price rejecting what? We have the weak rejection here. We have the first rejection here. We have the second rejection here, and that's more reason why you have to place your take profit at this zone. Now this is what we call the price rejection of the supply zone. So I'm going to place my take profit here because price may end up bouncing back. Price may not break above the supply zone, so price may end up bouncing back like this. So placing your stop loss, placing your take profit around the supply zone already will make you secure your profit. Now let me show you how we trade the supply zone using the candlestick momentum. Now to trade your supply zone is just the same way of trading the demand zone. The only thing you look for here, you look for the selling momentum in the market. Once you see the selling momentum in the market, look for at least 3 candlestick that has 3 consecutive candlestick that has the selling momentum, and this is the 3 that has the selling momentum here. Then you go to the beginning of this selling momentum, then you pick the high and the low of the bullish candlestick. In this case, we are taking the high and the low of the bullish candlestick, then you drag your rectangle across it like that. After price pushed back into your supply zone, then you wait for price action. Once you see the reversal candlestick there, then you can go ahead and place your stop loss a little bit above your supply zone. Then you place your take profit at the weak rejection. Place your take profit at the weak rejection. Now as you can see, now we have the first weak rejection here. We have the second one here. So more reason why you just need to place your take profit at the weak rejection. We have the first rejection here, we have the second rejection here, because price may end up not breaking down through the demand zone. Price may end up bouncing back, but you placing your take profit around this zone will make you safe when price is reversing back to your entry. Trading this supply and demand zone using the candlestick momentum is not alone just to enter the market. You need some other confluences that you could add which could support this decision in making your entries, and one of those confluences I use is the Fibonacci retracement. So if you don't know how to use the Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension, so this video that is coming up now is for you. Just click on the recommendation coming on your screen now and learn how to use the Fibonacci retracement and how to use the Fibonacci extension. So because this is one of the confluences I use with my demand momentum and my supply momentum in making my buying or selling decisions. So quickly, let me show you how to trade the weak rejections, demand zone and supply zone also. So I want to show you how I trade the weak rejection pertaining to the demand zone and the supply zone. Now you notice that we have the first rejection here, we are having the second rejection here, and that will make me to to draw a rectangle around my weak rejections here. Then I'll wait for the third pullback, and once I wait for the third pullback into this demand zone, then I wait for a reversal candlestick, and once I spot the reversal candlestick, then I can buy to the beginning of the reversal. So this was my first reversal here, so I can buy to the beginning of this reversal and place my stop loss a little bit below my demand zone. And some other traders will prefer to put their TP to this other reversal here, but I will prefer to put my TP around here. Trading the weak rejection of the supply zone, you notice we have the first rejection here. Now we see the second weak rejection here. Then I'll pick my rectangle 2, then I'll draw my rectangle around this rejection here. Then I'll wait for the pullback into the supply zone. Then once I see the pullback into the supply zone, then I will start selling to my last reversal. I'll start selling to the last reversal. Then place my stop loss a little bit above my supply zone. Then I'll set my take profit to the last reversal point here, and I'll set my take profit to the last reversal point there. And this is how I trade both my supply and demand zone of the momentum candlestick, then my supply and demand zone of the weak rejections. So if you like this video, click on the like button. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification button so you won't miss out of my coming content, and that will encourage me in dropping more useful content. So see you in my next video, guys.